So, nainangutan na sa kuha. Saan daw niya paghimog, saan daw niya mahimog siyang VA. Wala man siya experience about VA. So, the first thing I told her is, kung magsugod gani ka, wala pa kay idea about VA, I would recommend nga mangita kag outsourcing companies. Ang number one company nga ako ma-recommend would be Outsource Doers. Now you might be asking gamay ang sweldo ana nga company oy. But it's not dili ang sweldo ang imuhang ginaapas if you're starting out. Because of course, kung nagsugod ka, gamay jud imong sweldo ana. Kay you don't have any skill as a BA at that time. What you want to gain skills. You want to gain knowledge about a VA. So, I would just, if for me, I would start as a VA on an outsourcing company if I don't have any experience. Even if ang sweldo is gamay, I would say like 20,000 pesos. Right now, I'm not sure if that's the amount right now, but I would start with that amount. That way I will gain experience, I will gain knowledge and skills. Once nga na ko knowledge and skills, of course, dira na ko mangita og laing company nga matrabahuan as a VA. So, right now if it were me, I would find companies like Cyberbacker, any outsourcing companies. Daghan kay na sa internet, pwede ra ka makakita na. As long as you just as long as willing ka nga ang imong sweldo is not that big when starting out. But yeah, that's basically how you start as a VA if you don't have any experience. Because the number one thing that you have to know is that kinahanglan ka magkaroon ng skills before ka i-hire sa kanang mga higher companies or direct sa client. Because dili gina sila mo hire sa imuha if wala ka experience or wala kay knowledge about VA. They're just gonna waste their time. So, yeah.